Nestled in the heart of the Balkans lies a country that is often overlooked by travelers, but holds a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Albania is a land of dramatic contrasts, where the rugged mountains meet the serene coastline, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and diverse, and breathtaking beauty. For centuries, this small nation remained isolated, hidden behind a curtain of mystery. Its history is rich and complex, with influences from the Romans, Byzantines, Ottomans, and more, each leaving their mark on the land and its people. Today, Albania is emerging as one of Europe's most exciting travel destinations. With its pristine beaches, rugged mountains, ancient ruins, and vibrant cities, it offers a unique blend of experiences that cater to all kinds of travelers. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or someone looking to immerse yourself in a new culture, Albania has something for you. Albania offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural splendor. The country's historical sites, from ancient ruins to medieval castles, tell the story of its tumultuous past and the resilience of its people. Festivals and cultural events are a testament to the vibrant traditions that continue to thrive in modern times. Albania's turbulent past has left its mark on the country, with remnants of its history visible in the form of ancient ruins, old castles, and fortresses that dot the landscape. These landmarks are not just relics of the past, but are living monuments that tell the story of Albania's journey through time. But it has also endowed it with a rich cultural heritage. Traditional dances, music, and art forms are still very much a part of everyday life, offering visitors a glimpse into the soul of Albania. The country's cultural heritage sites are a treasure trove of history and tradition, waiting to be explored. The warmth and hospitality of the Albanian people are legendary, making visitors feel welcome and at ease. Albanians are known for their friendliness and generosity, often going out of their way to ensure that guests have a memorable experience. This genuine hospitality is one of the many reasons why travelers fall in love with Albania, making visitors feel welcome and at ease. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a journey of cultural discovery, Albania has something to offer every traveler. From hiking in the majestic mountains to lounging on the sun-kissed beaches, the country provides a wide range of activities that cater to all interests and preferences. Or a journey of cultural discovery, Albania's rich history and vibrant culture provide endless opportunities for exploration and learning. The country's festivals, museums, and historical sites offer a deep dive into its past and present, making every visit a journey through time. Albania has something to offer every traveler. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Tirana, the capital city, or venturing into the tranquil countryside, you'll find that Albania is a land of endless possibilities and unforgettable experiences. So, pack your bags and get ready to uncover the hidden gem that is Albania. Stretching along the Ionian Sea, the Albanian Riviera is a vision of paradise. Turquoise waters lap against secluded beaches, while rugged cliffs rise majestically from the sea. This coastline is dotted with charming villages, ancient ruins, and hidden coves, just waiting to be explored. One of the most popular destinations along the Riviera is Ksamil, known for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. The nearby Berat National Park offers a fascinating glimpse into Albania's ancient past, with its well-preserved Roman ruins. For those seeking adventure, the Albanian Alps, also known as the Accursed Mountains, offer a breathtaking escape. Towering peaks, deep canyons, and pristine lakes create a landscape of unparalleled beauty. Hiking trails wind through dense forests and alpine meadows, offering stunning views at every turn. The Valbona Valley National Park is a must-visit destination in the Accursed Mountains. Here you can hike to hidden waterfalls, explore traditional villages, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Step back in time at Berat National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that seamlessly blends history and nature. This park is a treasure trove of ancient ruins set against a backdrop of stunning natural beauty. As you wander through this remarkable site, you'll feel as though you've been transported to another era, where the past comes alive amidst the serene landscapes. Explore the ruins of an ancient city, once a thriving Greek colony, and later a Roman settlement. These ruins tell the story of a city that was a bustling hub of activity, commerce, and culture. From the intricate designs of the Greek architecture to the robust structures of the Roman era, each stone and column has a tale to tell. Imagine the vibrant life that once filled these streets, the markets bustling with traders, and the grand ceremonies held in the amphitheaters. Wander through the remains of temples, theaters, and bathhouses, imagining the lives of those who once lived here. Picture the grandiose temples where people worshipped their gods, the theaters echoing with the sounds of ancient performances, and the bathhouses where citizens gathered to relax and socialize. Each ruin offers a glimpse into the daily life and culture of the ancient inhabitants, making your journey through Butrint a deeply immersive experience. After exploring the ruins, take a stroll through the park's lush forests and wetlands. The natural beauty of Butrint National Park is just as captivating as its historical treasures. The dense forests provide a tranquil escape, with trails that lead you through a verdant landscape teeming with life. The wetlands, with their serene waters and rich biodiversity, offer a peaceful retreat where you can reflect on the ancient wonders you've just explored. Keep an eye out for the diverse birdlife that inhabits this area, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The park is home to a wide variety of bird species, from colorful songbirds to majestic birds of prey. Birdwatchers will find themselves in heaven, with opportunities to spot rare and exotic species in their natural habitat. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or both, Butrint National Park offers a unique and unforgettable experience that seamlessly blends the ancient with the natural. Section 5. Berat, the City of 1,000 Windows. Perched on a hillside overlooking the Osum River, Berat is a city of breathtaking beauty. Known as the City of 1,000 Windows, Berat is famed for its Ottoman-era houses, with their distinctive white facades and rows of windows. Explore the city's historic neighborhoods, wander through its ancient castle, and soak up the charming atmosphere of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Section 6. Gjirokastër, a UNESCO World Heritage City frozen in time. Transport yourself back to the Ottoman era in Gjirokastër, another UNESCO World Heritage City. With its cobblestone streets, tower houses, and imposing castle, Gjirokastër offers a glimpse into Albania's fascinating past. Visit the ethnographic museum, housed in the former home of Albania's former dictator, Enver Hoxha, for insights into the country's recent history. Section 7. The Albanian Alps, hiking through untamed wilderness. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Albanian Alps, also known as the Prokletice Mountains, offer a paradise of untamed wilderness. Towering peaks, glacial lakes, and dense forests create a landscape of breathtaking beauty. Embark on challenging hikes, explore remote villages, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Section 8. Lake Ohrid Tranquility and Natural Beauty. Straddling the border of Albania and North Macedonia, Lake Ohrid is one of Europe's oldest and deepest lakes. Its crystal-clear waters, surrounded by mountains and dotted with charming villages, make it a haven for nature lovers. Take a boat trip across the lake, visit the historic monastery of St. Naum, and savor the tranquility of this natural wonder. Section 9. Discover your next adventure. Where will your journey take you? Imagine a place where every corner holds a new surprise, where the landscapes are as diverse as the cultures, and where every journey is a story waiting to be told. From the pristine beaches of the Albanian Riviera, where the turquoise waters meet the golden sands, creating a paradise for sunseekers and water enthusiasts alike, to the rugged peaks of the accursed mountains, a haven for adventurers and nature lovers, offering trails that challenge the spirit and vistas that soothe the soul. Albania offers a wealth of scenic wonders. Imagine standing atop a mountain, breathing in the crisp, fresh air, or strolling through a lush valley surrounded by the vibrant colors of nature. Each destination promises a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and warm hospitality. Picture yourself exploring ancient ruins, learning about the rich history and traditions of the Albanian people, and experiencing the warmth and generosity of their hospitality. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family, Albania has something special for everyone. And discover the hidden gem of the Balkans. From secluded beaches to charming villages, there's always something new to uncover. The less traveled paths often lead to the most unforgettable experiences. Which of these breathtaking destinations will you explore next? Will it be the serene shores of the Ionian Sea, the majestic heights of the Dinaric Alps, or the vibrant streets of Tirana? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Let us know in the comments below. Share your travel dreams and plans with us. We love hearing about your adventures and aspirations. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest travel tips, destination guides, and adventure stories. Your support helps us grow and continue sharing the beauty of our world with you. Together, we can explore new horizons and celebrate the wonders of our planet. Thank you for being a part of our journey.